Welcome back to my YouTube channel! So, kamusta naman kayo? Hilig pala ako sa nature lately. Yun yun naman to. Ayan, di ba? So cute! So, nanggaling to sa garden ng mama ko. Ayan. Pinaghuhukay ko yung mga maliliit na mga halaman. So, linagay ko dito. So cute! Idea na kayo kung anong gagawin natin ngayon na makeup look kasi pinakita ko na sa inyo yung plants ko. So, lagi natin ginagawa ay nagpa-prime. Pinaka-primer ko. Ito yung Maxipeel Moisturizing Cream. So, gamit na gamit ko na siya. Kitang-kita nyo naman. So, bago tayo magsimula, no, hawakan natin yung mukha natin. Naghugas na rin naman ako ng kamay, pero feeling ko madumi pa rin. So, kaya mag-ano muna tayo. Alcohol. Since maraming mga virus na kumakalat ngayon sa mundo natin, no. So, kasama ko ulit ngayon yung favorite na salamin ko. Ayan. So, yung sira-sira akong salamin. So, again, ito lang yung foundation ko. Ito lang yung wala na akong foundation na iba kasi since tinapon ko na yung mga luma kong foundation kasi expired na. Ko kanina, ang mukha natin ngayon dapat ay maging si mahal ng kalikasan.
I know that you're afraid. It feels like every day things are slipping away. You're slipping away, and you think back to a time that you were lost. Thoughts disorganized, can't seem to dry your eyes, and chaos is collapsing from your mind. And you say that you're fine, but now you're out of time. Out of time. You're out of time. You're out of time. And now you're out of time. And now you're out of time. Never measure up, you'll never be enough. People say tough love, you should just suck it up. And you think back to a time that you.
So yun lang guys, maraming salamat muli sa pag-nonood ninyo. So sana nagustuhan nyo yung makeup look ko about inspired by nature. So thank you guys sa panonood nyo. So don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button for you to be notified and be updated for my incoming videos. Bye!
Thanks for watching!